I swear to God, Sans, if I catch you slacking off and eating donuts during your shift again, I'm going to be so cross with you.
Relax, bro. You got nothing to worry about. 'Cause you're not gonna find me. Whoa, what? Is that a human? What the heck? Uh-oh.
And why was that weird lamp just sitting there? That's very suspicious.
I don't know. I thought it was pretty convenient.
And why are you covered in sap and snow? And limping?
No reason.
Are those donut crumbs?
No. Jeez, lay off. It's not a big deal. I didn't even crack anything this time. It's nothing. Let go.
I wouldn't have to heal you if you weren't goofing off in the trees with those confounded 8-legged donuts. What if a human shows up and you only have 0.9 health? What then? You're so irresponsible sometimes, Sans.